In this video, we'll showcase how multiple intelligent automation technologies were used to optimize and automate a tedious tax process at a large manufacturing conglomerate, which involved manually recording tax payment activity in SAP. The manual process required users to fill out a form for each state's tax invoices and heavy coordination between the accounts payable and tax teams. Lack of standardization in the form would lead to delays and several feedback loops between the teams, taking an estimated 60 hours per month for processing end-to-end. With automation, we optimize the process by standardizing the tax direct debit form, creating an approval workflow for review, and automatically posting these entries in SAP upon submission. Let's take a look at this automation. The process is triggered to run on a monthly basis. The bot starts by navigating to the input tax calendar file in Excel, retrieving the data of the invoice amounts posted in the most recent month, and creating a new entry into the custom web portal built on Microsoft Power Apps, where the bot will then update stage 1 of the entry as completed and notify the tax team to review the summary report of tax payments made and its associated details. Once an entry is reviewed and approved by the tax team, the bot will be triggered to post the data into SAP. It starts by logging in with its bot credentials, navigating to the outgoing payments module, and entering the details from the summary report into its respective fields in SAP. Once all entries have been posted, it will retrieve the document number generated in SAP and update both the summary report and the tax calendar in Excel with the status of each entry. Once the automation is complete, the bot will update the custom portal with stage 2 of the entry marked as completed. If any data from the summary report looks incorrect, the approver can navigate to the tax calendar input file and make the necessary corrections before requesting a rerun on the custom portal. Once the user requests a rerun, the bot will initiate the data retrieval and data entry process again. The user can also monitor the status of each monthly entry to track whether the entries were retrieved from the tax calendar, as well as whether the entry is pending approval before the data is posted on SAP. With this automation, Roboyo helped this client relieve the efforts related to a highly manual and time-consuming process in the finance and accounting team, while enabling an audit trail with easy traceability of the tax payment records. Contact us if you'd like to learn how your finance and accounting operations can be automated, optimizing operational efficiency, reducing human errors, ensuring 100% data accuracy, and most importantly, freeing valuable human resources to focus on higher value and strategic work.